This growth report calculates the student's rate of growth compared to peer expectations and predicts when the achievement gap will close, if at all. This would be especially useful for special education evaluations or checking intervention effectiveness. Here is the blank form. There is some basic information at the top, along with sections for student and peer scores. The graph displays the data and can be forecasted to the end of the year by checking this box. Let's use reading fluency as an example. This student's score increased from 15 correct words per minute in the fall to 35 correct words in the winter. Here we see the student's score increased by 20 words, or 0.97 words per week. Feel free to label the scores, as the calculations will ignore any text you enter. On the right side, we enter the class average or any other peer comparison data you have. It looks like the class average grew from 5 words, or 0.26 words per week. This chart visualizes the scores, and here we can see that the achievement gap is slowly closing. Given these rates, the gap should close in about 28.2 weeks. Click this box to project the scores into the end of the school year. Now we can see that the student should mostly catch up to his class by the end of the year. Normally, we want scores to increase, like words read or problems correct, but there are other times when you expect them to decrease over time, like when measuring behavior frequency or number of errors. Click this box for scores that we want to decrease over time. Sometimes we want to compare students' score to a specific goal expectation, like an end-of-the-year benchmark. For this, we use the Goal Expectation tab. This tab is nearly identical, except the goal does not increase over time like a class average would. If you have any questions, please email them to helixforms@gmail.com. And to find more forms like this, go to my store page at tinyurl.com/helixforms.